Hello, my name is Thomas J. Bellezza, and welcome to the channel, The Right Mindset. So, what is this channel about? Well, I personally have always enjoyed the learning about the craft of writing from teachers or other creators, and even those that I have mentored, my personal students. And one of my favorite forms of understanding a subject is always to discuss it with other people as an open forum by dissecting the process of how to do something. And of course, that old tradition of hands-on approach. One of the things that I really believe in is education. I believe education and knowledge should be something that we spread amongst each other because it helps us elevate and grow and even learn things that we're passionate about, in this case, writing. And I have worked very hard to get to where I am today to stand with the right mindset. So what is the right mindset? The right mindset mission is to be a platform for a discussion about writing as a craft, the business of our industry, and interviewing others on their personal path to becoming a writer as a profession. By basically learning the craft, understanding the business, and hearing from other writers, I hope that the right mindset will help you take charge of your stories, your personal career, and of course, your understanding of this career path that you love so much. There is nothing more fun than watching someone talk about their passions, going over what they care about. And in this case, we're talking about writing. And that goes for YouTube creators. When they're talking about the techniques they learned and how it helps their writing, either for novels or scripts or just in general, just to be the authors that they are. And in some cases, they're going over things that they created, their own techniques. So I hope to expand on techniques that I have learned growing up as a writer, that I've learned from other creators, and that I have kind of developed myself over the time. Now, I will also show real-time examples of these techniques, so we'll go over them in a lesson, and then I'll show you me doing it in real time. And obviously, I want to go over the process of writing, both novels and scripts. This channel mostly focuses on writing novels. However, I delve into scripts, screenplays, theater plays, things like that that are important to the story writing process. I love movies, so we're definitely going to analyze movies. These videos will not be solely based on my perspective of the tools needed for writing, but we'll go over the rules and how I apply them myself. To accomplish this, for example, if I did a video on brainstorming, I would give examples of techniques that would help you start the process of brainstorming, and then from there, you will see real-time examples of my brainstorming, an actual project that is right there, off the cuff, doing it for that video. Basically going over things that have worked for me over the years. It is about options and giving you a chance to see what is available, and not necessarily my way is the right way and it's the only way. Best that we learn different techniques so we can develop our craft as a writer. Though I've been writing since the 90s, okay, hearing that makes me feel old, but since I've been writing since the 90s, my understanding of the skills, tools, and even techniques really have been kind of shaped by my perception of everything I've learned and my experience as a writer. And even though wisdom is powered by awareness, one of the things that I will definitely recommend for anyone, be it for this channel or another channel, is that absolutely, my advice to you is whatever I demonstrate here, whatever I show you, whatever I go over, I mean, it's just one side. So do your due diligence and research to kind of get the most out of it. I mean, this channel is here for you, me, and others who want to learn about the right mindset of being a writer. So let this channel be one side of your education. Remember, learning something is not the same as understanding it. Give yourself a chance to understand what you learned by visiting other resources based on writing, the process of writing, and even the business of writing, besides mine, so you can develop the right mindset. Become the best writer for you as you discover your voice as a writer in a career path that you love and have the ability to bless readers with new worlds. As this is a new channel, I would really love to know what you're most excited about learning. Let me and our community know in the comments below. And of course, if you're here to learn about the craft of writing and a little bit about the business side, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. And then, of course, if you can, please like, comment, and share the video to help one another in their journey to work, grow, and rise as a writing community. Until next time, keep that creative flow growing as you develop the right mindset.